Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has once again reiterated BJP's stance on Jammu and Kashmir and said that the entire region belongs to India and it is the constitutional responsibility to bring the entire Jammu and Kashmir to India. He claimed that to fulfill this responsibility, BJP needs 400 seats. He's also stated that it is BJP's constitutional responsibility to bring a uniform civil code to the country. He further claimed that to take India's economy above the economies of America and China by 2047, BJP will need more than 400 seats. Let's in fact listen into what he stated.
उनको इसीलिए जब कांग्रेस बोलते हैं कि हमें 750 सीट से ऊपर चाहिए संविधान बदलने के लिए, हम उल्टा बोलता हूं, हमें संविधान को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए हमें 750 सीट चाहिए। जम्मू कश्मीर एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया हमारा है, पूरी की पूरा जम्मू कश्मीर हमारा है और वो जम्मू कश्मीर को पूरा की पूरा भारत में लाना हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और वो संविधानिक जिम्मेदारी को निभाने के लिए हमें 750 पार सीट चाहिए। हम यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड देश में लाना हमारा संविधानिक जिम्मेदारी है। उनको रिफ्लेक्ट करने के लिए यूसीसी लाने के लिए हमें 750 से ऊपर सीट चाहिए। हमारा देश का इकोनॉमी अमेरिका और चाइना से भी बाय 2047 ऊपर ले जाने के लिए हमें 750 से ऊपर सीट चाहिए।
Okay, so we've of course heard the statements that have been made by the Assam Chief Minister. In fact, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Mehendi Garg. Mehendi, a slew of statements there being made by the Assam Chief Minister. He's of course said that he's reiterated that Jammu and Kashmir, the entire region, belongs to India. Of course, we've heard Union Home Minister Amit Shah saying the exact same things yesterday during an interview. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar was also recently heard saying the exact same statements. Give our viewers an understanding on what exactly he's stated.
Well, yes, Sabri, Ranchi's CM has made huge, Assam CM, I'm so sorry, Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma has said big statements about Jammu and Kashmir, that it is the part of India and it is our duty, our constitutional responsibility to bring each and every part of Jammu and Kashmir in our country. And he specifically said for doing that, 400 Par Nara is very important because for that they'll need 400 seats for BJP and in the power should be the BJP. And if we talk about the 400 Par Nara of the Bharatiya Janata Party and also the Jammu and Kashmir issue, the Article 370 issue, this has been an issue of the Bharatiya Janata Party for a very long time. And as you said also, Savi, that all the senior BJP leaders, whether it's Union Home Minister Amit Shah or S. Jaishankar, everybody is talking about Jammu and Kashmir and they are saying that the whole of Jammu and Kashmir is a part of India. And talking about the Uniform Civil Code, then Himanta Biswa Sarma has specifically mentioned that to bring a uniform civil code in this country, for that we need 400 seats. And he was very much confident in his statements that if 400 seats will be granted to the Bharatiya Janata Party and if Bharatiya Janata Party comes in power with a majority of 400, then some changes and for the betterment will happen in the country, as he talked about the progress and the development that will happen economically in India while comparing those statements with China and America, that by 2047 the economy of India will increase and will be in a better shape if a 400 seats target of Bharatiya Janata Party completes. And also in a statement he specifically talked about the strengthening of ED and CBI, that if Bharatiya Janata Party gains and comes into power with a 400 seats target, then ED and CBI will also have a stronghold and all these agencies will come out more powerful in the upcoming government. So these have been statements that have been coming from Himanta Biswa Sarma. And if we talk about his area, as in from Assam, then he said that in November they'll be winning all the 16 seats of the region of the state, and after that double engine government will be made in Assam and all over India. So the Nara of 400 Par, that is Ab Ki Baar 400 Par, is very much loud and clear from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and all the statements that have been coming, whether from the BJP leaders, from the senior BJP leaders or all the chief ministers, leaders from the BJP, they are talking very openly about the 400 par seats and also Jammu and Kashmir issues. Over to you, Sabri.
Okay.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.